everybody, this is Andrew, and we are back with Jacob.
Hey guys.
And today we're going to be doing a little catch-shoot drill, all right? So there's 3 levels to this. The first level, we're just doing a catch and a shoot. So if I throw a hook, I'm touching his glove, he's coming back with a 2. If I go hook to the body and touch his elbow, he throws an uppercut. If I throw up to his left glove, I'm doing a hook, he's throwing a hook as well, and here, uppercut. So nice and slow. He's not throwing hard right now. It's more like juggling is how I like to think about it. I'm just not letting him stop to really think about it, and it's becoming kind of just a reaction without having to think about it. And we're throwing counter punches, that's kind of where we want to get to, right? So we're not throwing hard, I'm just not letting him think, but not giving him any breaks in the middle. And he did pretty good there, didn't make any mistakes. Now to make it a little more difficult, we're going to add 2 punches, okay? So if Jake is here, I'm going to throw the same first punch, and then he's going to throw a hook on top of it. And then same first punch, and then 2, and then uppercut, hook, uppercut, 2. So if I go up to his right hand, I touch his right glove, he throws a 2, and then he throws a hook. If I go to his right elbow, uppercut, and a hook. If I go to his left elbow, uppercut, and a 2, and just, you're oh my bad. I'm the one messing up. And then you just keep that pattern kind of like you did before, where you're trying to, keep it going without stopping. And you notice we had a little mess up, but we got right back on our bike and kept going. And in a fight, that's what you want to be able to do too. You don't want to spend too much time, I messed that one up. You don't want to spend too much time, thinking about your mistakes. You want to get right back in it because you don't have a lot of time. And after we've done that, we're going to get into a little bit more of boxing movement, okay? So I might be moving around, I might be using the whole ring here, and he's going to throw a little bit harder on these, right? And he's trying to catch and shoot as fast as he can after he catches, right? So we look a little bit more like real boxing here. Nice. Nice, thank you. So those first 2 are just kind of getting your brain used to constantly firing without thinking about it. And those that last drill, we're trying to get it a little bit more in boxing. We can also, I can throw some other punches, or I can have him do some combos and then throw that in. In fact, let me show you how that looks. So I might say 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. There you go, yep. Yep, back to those same ones. There you go. There you go, nice. So then I'm throwing some offense in, he's throwing some offense in, and we can go from offense to defense. So it seems like it's a little bit more like the actual fight game, right? So take those steps, and you're going to slowly be a better boxer. Get you ready for some sparring. Thank you so much, everybody. We'll see you next time.